The mindset shift that changes everything is not about motivation. It is not about becoming more positive. It is not about thinking bigger thoughts. It is about control. Most people are not failing because they lack talent. They are not stuck because they lack opportunity. They are stuck because their thinking is reactive instead of deliberate. That is the shift. Right now, your life is being shaped by how you interpret events, not the events themselves. Your results are being shaped by the meaning you assign to effort, discomfort, delay, and responsibility. If you see effort as pressure, you slow down. If you see effort as identity, you stay steady. By the end of this video, you will understand one thing clearly. The mindset shift that changes everything is the shift from emotional reaction to chosen responsibility. When that changes, your discipline changes. When your discipline changes, your standards change. And when your standards change, everything else follows. This is not about becoming inspired. This is about becoming internally governed. If your results have not changed, it is not because you need more information. It is because your internal position has not changed. There are 4 internal shifts that create the mindset that changes everything. The shift from emotion-led decisions to standard-led decisions. The shift from outcome obsession to daily process control. The shift from external blame to internal ownership. The shift from temporary effort to identity-based discipline. These are not motivational ideas. They are structural corrections. Right now, most people live in reaction mode. They feel motivated, they act. They feel tired, they stop. They feel uncertain, they delay. They feel pressure, they escape. That is emotional governance. And emotional governance produces unstable results. The mindset shift that changes everything is the decision that feelings no longer decide behavior. Standards do. Over the next few minutes, we will break down each of these 4 internal shifts. You will see why your current mindset keeps resetting your progress, what is silently controlling your consistency, and how to rebuild discipline as identity instead of effort. This is not about becoming more intense. It is about becoming more stable. Because once your internal position stabilizes, your external results follow a predictable pattern. Everything changes when control shifts inward. The first shift is simple. You stop asking, "How do I feel?" And you start asking, "What is my standard?" Right now, most of your decisions are emotional negotiations. You wake up. You scan how you feel. If you feel ready, you move. If you feel resistance, you delay. This is where you lose control. Emotions are not stable regulators. They change hourly. Standards do not. A standard is pre-decided behavior. It removes debate. For example, if your standard is, "I train 5 days per week," then the decision is already made. Fatigue becomes background noise. Mood becomes irrelevant. The shift that changes everything is not intensity. It is pre-commitment. You decide once. Then you execute repeatedly. Daily behavior example. Instead of saying, "I'll work on my goals when I feel focused," you say, "I work on my goals from 7 to 8 a.m., regardless." No discussion. Identity implication. When behavior is tied to emotion, your identity is unstable. When behavior is tied to standards, your identity becomes predictable. And predictability builds self-trust. Reinforcement. Everything changes when feelings stop leading. Control shifts from temporary states to permanent principles. Most frustration comes from watching results too closely. You check views. You check money. You check progress. You check recognition. And when the outcome does not respond fast enough, your effort weakens. This is another emotional loop. Outcome focus creates emotional volatility. Process focus creates stability. The mindset shift is this. Your job is not to control outcomes. Your job is to control behaviors. Outcomes are lagging indicators. Process is the leading indicator. Daily behavior example. Instead of asking, "Is this working yet?" you ask, "Did I execute the process today?" Instead of measuring success weekly, you measure adherence daily. If the process is correct and repeated, results compound. Identity implication. When you attach identity to outcomes, you become fragile. When you attach identity to execution, you become durable. Durable people do not quit when numbers dip. They repeat behaviors. Reinforcement. The mindset shift that changes everything is this. You stop chasing results and start mastering repetition. Results then become a byproduct, not a requirement. Blame is subtle. It rarely sounds dramatic. It sounds like the algorithm changed. The timing wasn't right. People don't understand quality. I didn't have enough time. Some of these statements may be partially true, but partial truth still removes power. The moment responsibility leaves you, control leaves with it. The mindset shift is this. Even when circumstances are unfair, you respond with ownership. Ownership does not mean self-attack. It means self-direction. Daily behavior example. Instead of saying, "That failed because of external factors," you ask, "What is within my control that I can adjust?" Title structure. Clarity. Consistency. Skill development. Ownership always finds leverage. Identity implication. When you blame, you feel temporarily protected. When you own, you become powerful. Power comes from control. Control comes from responsibility. Reinforcement. Everything changes when you stop explaining outcomes and start correcting behavior. Many people can push hard for a week. They can sprint. They can sacrifice temporarily. But they cannot sustain. Why? Because effort is being used as a tactic, not as identity. Temporary effort relies on emotional spikes. Identity discipline relies on self-definition. The shift is this. You stop seeing discipline as something you do. You start seeing it as who you are. Daily behavior example. Instead of saying, "I'm trying to be consistent," you say, "I am a consistent person." This is not affirmation. It is alignment. When identity changes, behavior stabilizes. If you identify as disciplined, skipping feels unnatural. If you identify as inconsistent, quitting feels normal. Your actions always align with self-perception. Identity implication. Discipline is not built by force. It is built by repetition that confirms identity. Each completed task is evidence. Each kept promise strengthens self-respect. Reinforcement. The mindset shift that changes everything is not about intensity. It is about deciding who you are and behaving accordingly. When emotion stops leading. When process replaces outcome obsession. When ownership replaces blame. When discipline becomes identity. Stability replaces chaos. Control replaces reaction. That is the shift. Now bring everything back to one central idea. The mindset shift that changes everything is the shift from reaction to responsibility. Not partial responsibility. Not situational responsibility. Total internal responsibility. When you operate from emotion, your life feels unstable. Good days create momentum. Bad days erase it. When you operate from standards, your behavior becomes predictable. And predictability creates compounding. Compounding is quiet. It does not look dramatic daily. It looks small, repetitive, almost boring. But compounding only works when behavior is consistent. And behavior only becomes consistent when it is tied to identity. This is where self-respect enters. Self-respect is not confidence. It is not charisma. It is not public recognition. Self-respect is the memory of kept promises. Every time you execute when you said you would, you reinforce identity. Every time you follow through despite discomfort, you strengthen internal control. That strength compounds. 5 disciplined days build momentum. 30 disciplined days build stability. 1 year of disciplined execution builds a different life structure. Long-term thinking changes daily behavior. When you think long-term, you stop reacting to short-term emotion. You stop demanding immediate results. You stop negotiating with temporary discomfort. You begin asking a different question. What behavior, repeated for years, would produce the life I respect? Then you align with it. This is not about becoming extreme. It is about becoming steady. Responsibility becomes default. Standards become normal. Execution becomes routine. And over time, your environment begins to reflect your internal order. Everything changes because you changed your position. Not your goals. Not your dreams. Your position. When control moves inward, results move outward. That is the shift. There is no dramatic moment when this shift happens. There is no announcement. It is a quiet decision. You stop reacting. You stop negotiating. You stop waiting to feel ready. You choose responsibility over mood. You choose standards over emotion. You choose identity over impulse. From the outside, nothing looks different at first. You wake up. You work. You repeat. But internally, something is stable. You no longer ask whether you feel like executing. You execute because that is who you are. That stability compounds. Weeks turn into structure. Structure turns into confidence. Confidence turns into control. And control changes everything. Not because life becomes easier, but because you stop being governed by what changes. You become governed by what you decided. That is the mindset shift. And once that shift is made, you do not need motivation. You need consistency. Everything else follows.